What if I told you you could walk into any international forum and instantly understand every word without paying hundreds of dollars a day for human translators? At global conferences, classrooms, or even hybrid meetings, language barriers are the biggest wall between people. You miss details, the conversation slows down, and engagement drops. That's exactly why Vurbo.ai exists. Think of it as your personal interpreter, available anytime, anywhere. Translate in over 100 languages, with up to 8 simultaneous translations, and connect 2,000 participants, seamlessly scheduled with QR or meeting codes. Here's how simple it is. Scan the QR code or enter the session code. Choose your language, and instantly, translation appears across your screen, following the speaker in real time as subtitles or speech. Every word is transcribed, translated, and organized live. No waiting, no delays. Now, what makes Vurbo.ai truly useful are the features it brings together in one place. It can import domain-specific terminology, so legal, medical, or technical jargon always comes out right every time. It can precisely transcribe and translate both microphone and system audio, so nothing slips through the cracks. It shows floating subtitles that make lectures and presentations clear for everyone, no matter the language. It separates speakers, so you always know who said what, even in a 10-person panel. And it supports two-way translation, which is perfect for one-on-one meetings or interviews. Together, these features turn Vurbo.ai from just another tool into a true communication partner. One that actually makes every conversation smoother, clearer, and easier to act on. That's the power of Vurbo.ai.